In this video, we are going to discuss the solution of one of the exercises in the John Bird textbook, Understanding Engineering Mathematics. Okay, so we're looking at practice exercise 263, number 3, on page 721. Okay, so in this exercise, we are given an integral. We're given the following integral. So we have to evaluate this integral. So we have the integral of the square root of 4 minus x squared with respect to x. So we have to find the solution of this integral. Now, for this integral, we have to go to the formula sheet, the given formula sheet. Okay, we go to the given formula sheet and we go and identify the formula that takes the form of this integral. And if you look at the formula sheet, you'll find that you have a formula that takes this form. You have the integral of the square root of a squared minus x squared with respect to x, okay, is equal to a squared divided by 2 multiplied by the inverse sine function of x over a plus x over 2 multiplied by the square root of a squared minus x squared plus c. So this is what you are given, right? So you basically use this formula to evaluate this integral. Okay, this formula takes the form of this integral. So you use this formula, which is found in the formula sheet that you'll be given, to evaluate. Okay, you use this formula to evaluate this given integral. So we say therefore, this given integral, which is the square root of 4 minus x squared with respect to x, is equal to, so now all we do is we substitute into the formula, but we have to identify what a is. Okay, so a is obviously the square root of 4 in this case. So the square root of 4 will be a, because 4 you can write it as 2 squared, and of course 2 is the square root of 4. So this is equal to 2 to the power 2, which is 4, over 2. So now we're substituting into the formula. Okay, we are substituting into the formula to get the answer for this specific integral. So in place of a, we're going to put 2. So now we got 2 squared over 2 multiplied by sine inverse of x divided by 2. In place of a, we put 2. We go plus x divided by 2. We multiply this by the square root of 2 squared minus x squared, close bracket, plus c, because this is an indefinite integral. And of course, 2 squared over 2 is just 2. That's 4 divided by 2, so that's 2. So now you have 2 multiplied by the inverse sine function of x over 2, okay, plus x over 2 multiplied by the square root of the following. So 2 squared is 4. So that's 4 minus x squared. Close the square root, we go plus c. So that's basically the answer. Okay, that is the answer. We just use a formula that is given in the formula sheet. Okay, now I do have a video. Okay, I've recorded a video where I show how we derive this formula. Okay, so there is a video that I did where I show how to derive this formula. All right, but for this problem here, you don't have to go and derive the formula. All you do is you apply the formula. So the formula will be given to you in the formula sheet. So all you have to do is apply the formula in the way that we just did. Okay, so we can stop there.